Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. Today we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial and review. This is the Voss Violet Voss. Oh, I'm slow. I just said the name twice. This is the Sweet Violet. This is the packaging that it comes in. I'm going to open it twice. Well, not twice. Okay, so this is the packaging. It comes with a mirror. It comes with shimmer shades, those other shades that I cannot think of it right now, but I'm just going to show it to you. Mattes, shimmers. Oh, I cannot think of the name, y'all. But if you go online, it'll give you a description on it. But yeah, I'm going to dip into this palette. If you want to see how this look turns out, keep on watching. Alright, so I am going to dip it in the shade. This shade right here. I just noticed that there is no names for it. Yep, I didn't see that. Unless it's on the back or something. Okay. Yeah, I didn't see any names. So I'm going to go in with that shade right here. I'm going to put it like in the upper part of my eye right here. My mind is completely gone. I can't even, I forgot the name for it. Cute. All right, so I applied it to both my lids. Next, I'm going to go in with this shade. I'm going to put this in my inner eye, like right here. All right, so I have it on both my lids. Next, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. And I just want to apply that probably right here. Just in this area. Alrighty, I am ready to cut my crease. Next, I'm going to go in with this shade. I'm just going to use that shade to help my concealer dry faster. So next, I'm going to go in with this shade. With this shade. Next, I am going to go in with, I think this shade. I think I'm gonna mix them. These two right here. I think I'm gonna mix these. Can y'all see that? I really hope my camera is picking up these colors. They are so pretty. Next, I'm going to line my eyes with my NYX matte eyeliner, and then I'm going to throw on my lashes. So next, I am about to do my face. I'm going to do it off camera because for the past few days I have been doing it on camera. So I'm going to do it off camera, and then I plan on doing 2 other videos. So I got to keep my space on my phone low. So I'll be right back. Hey y'all, I'm back. I finished my face. Check me out. Check me out. Poppin'. I did that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my under eyes. This is gonna be a speed through, and then I'll be right back, because yeah, that's gonna take all day. So right back. Yo, I thought I had filmed me doing my under eye. I legit thought I was filming. Okay, so I did these two shades. I did this shade first under my eye, and then I put a little bit of this under it. It still didn't make a difference, but I just wanted to incorporate that shade. And then I went in with my mascara. This is the Stila. I went in with my mascara and I did the bottom lash, and voila. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my lips. This purple, I'm not sure if this is the right purple I should be using. I don't know. We're just gonna go ahead and go with it. And then I picked out this shade to match this part of my eye, and then I did this as like a topper. I'm not sure if I should mix like a pink to go with this, but I think it will pop more if I do it with this shade. So that's gonna be another speed through. I'm gonna make sure this speed through is actually recorded. So yeah, stay tight. Hey YouTube, I am back with this look. This look is popping, y'all. It's popping. So this is the final look. Gorgeous. Let me scoot back some. Hopefully, this is a makeup video, so I gotta be all in the camera. So let me get closer. My light is acting up and my phone is acting up, but I'm trying my best to get the best lighting so you guys can see the quality of this eyeshadow. This palette is popping. I really like it. It is gorgeous. Fix this lighting, y'all. Okay, I'll try to fix as much as I can. But anyway, this palette is gorgeous. Like, gorgeous. I am so happy I picked this up. This is wow. Look at the lip combo. Gorgeous. I have absolutely no cons. Like, all the colors meshed well, the shimmers and the, oh my god, I cannot think of the other eyeshadows. It's mattes, shimmers, and the iridescence. Oh my god. I can't think of it right now, because this shade right here is not a shimmer. It's like I cannot think of it, y'all, and I'm so mad. But yeah, I really love the whole palette. It is popping. It is A1. I really love this. Voss did they thing. You guys need to jump out and go purchase this. This is gorgeous. Like, this is gorgeous. The Sweet Violet, oh my goodness. I wonder if they made any other colors. If they did, please tell me in the comments if they made other colors just like this. I have the neon one, but let me know if they have any other colors. I would love to try this in a green, purple, brown, all that like, for real. So please let me know if they made any other palettes. I think this is their newest one, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, I really love this palette. So I don't want to be rambling or none of that. So thank you so much for watching my videos. If you like it, thumbs me up, and also subscribe. Love you all. Stay safe. Bye.